And it seems incredible to me that we don't have our own research centre, our own focus of research. And I think that that's where this stands a real chance of making a difference to the people of Essex.
I'm a clinical oncologist and been doing the trade for a quarter of a century. I've been involved in cancer clinical trials for around 2 decades now as principal investigator and trial management teams, but I've also been part of research management and research delivery.
Hi, my name is Preeti Sood. I work in Middle South Essex Hospital in a team called Strategy Unit. We are a very small team that supports the organisation with long-term strategy development, and we host specific skills within the team which help us derive better insights from various data.
I'm Greg Brooke, a senior lecturer at the University of Essex, and I work in cancer research. I've been working in cancer research for more than 20 years. And at the university, we've got quite a large team of people, from students right through to members of academic staff. And our overarching aim is to try and improve survival of people with cancer and also to improve their quality of life. So what we're interested in doing is understanding cancer so that we can try to develop new treatments, and also assays to work out who might get cancer as well.
And the team have been working with specialist data scientists to explore various data points and identify inequalities that people with cancer are facing within Mid and South Essex.
One of the most difficult things as a clinician is when I see somebody who has a cancer and I know that there is a trial suitable for that patient, but in order to take part in that sort of research, they would have to travel sometimes many miles.
An Essex Cancer Research charity has that particular role to focus on the region and to give the region an opportunity to allow regional research to flourish.
And we want to build this up, so we want to get some studies, fund students to actually come in and do research, again train them up, so we're training up the people of Essex into cancer research to increase that wealth of knowledge. And at the master's level, the charities become quite involved. They attend the talks that students give and they give away prizes. It's been a really nice way to inspire students to go into cancer research.
And that is the sort of thing that we can focus on locally. We can service redesign, we can get patients involved, we can get patient priorities involved. And that is something that only independent regional charities can offer.
All the work we do, and this is why I went into research, is because we want to have an impact on people's lives. And so we need to be able to have those links locally so that we can actually take what I'm doing in the lab from the bench through into the bedside. And by establishing this, and this is what the charity is helping us all to do here, it's going to allow these collaborations and this research hub of excellence to flourish and develop.
If not for the support of local communities who have come together and support the charity, we wouldn't have been able to do the piece of work that I've been talking about. And we wouldn't be able to, in this short period of time, think of developing a model, a complicated data model that will help us predict how to provide better, equitable care for the local communities.
The more we build on this research hub expertise, the more funding we hope will actually come to Essex. This should fund both our translational research in the lab, but also help with that clinical research and help to establish Essex as a region where clinical trials should be performed.
The Essex Cancer Research Charity is a regional research charity. Its priorities need to be fundamentally regional, addressing the needs of the population. We would want the population patients to, in fact, design and co-design many of the priorities of Essex Cancer Research.
This project that we're doing, especially with data modeling, is a small part in a big machinery, but it's been possible because we've been able to give dedicated resource to it. We wouldn't have been able to do that if not for the support of the charity.
to just bring everyone together and to offer those chances to patients in Essex so that they have access to these new medicines coming through. And through these collaborations, we're hoping the work we do can be accelerated through to the clinic. But then when it gets to the clinic, it's allowing the people of Essex to have access to those first, because that's where we want to do the clinical trials. So it feeds back to the people that have been supporting us all the way through.